example. Okay, so first you have to do what's inside of the front.
Right. So we talking order of operations this week, and we're gonna be talking adding and subtracting. We'll be adding or subtracting of the fractions. This gonna lead into the adding and subtracting of the fractions, well, unlike denominators that I know that y'all struggle with. Most of y'all use the order of operation talking primitives. All right here. Some of y'all memorize it by please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Already know that it starts from left to right, meaning every equation you're gonna start this side, then do everything to the right.
Mr. What's your answer?
Huh? Okay, hold on. This is what we're doing. So remember, you're gonna look at every equation. You're gonna first to see if it got any parentheses. If it's got parentheses, you knock that down first. If you see after the parentheses, we look for exponents, we'll do that. Then we do multiplication, division, then addition, then a subtraction. Whatever comes first from left to right. Whatever comes first from left to right. So now, in this example, we got 6 minus 4 times 49 divided by 7. What comes first?
And parentheses.
So we gonna lock going from left to right like I read a machine, kind of like that little thing you want to scan it. So when you go to the first scan, you're gonna be like, oh bang, I got a parenthesis. So you know we're gonna be knocking this down first. Before we even get to this, 6 minus 4 give me what?
2.
Keep the parenthesis there. Now you know it's, well actually, knock the parenthesis off. You know it's done. So now you add 2. And I like to put those little markers there so I can understand. What you're going to see is the problem is going to make like a upside down triangle. Your problem should go like this. This is how it's going to look. It's going to go from each line, we're going to solve it until we get to the answer. When I talk about show your work, that's how each one should look. It should start from the most little smaller until we get to the answer. Think of the upside down triangle to the point. Now that you have that knocked out, you can write the rest of it and bring the rest of it down. Remember now at this point we scan again. Ear mirror, I'm scanning again, going from left to right. What comes first from left to right?
Multiplication.
And so therefore I'm multiplying what?
2 times 49.
And that's going to give me what?
98. 98 divided by 7 is
Well, bring it down. And as you can see, remember I told you about the upside down triangle?
Yeah.
Do you not see it here?
Yeah.
Formulating. This is how you should break every equation. Should come down like this each time. Most, smallest. My answer, 98 and 7.
14.
This is how it should look on compo each time.
I got it, Mr. Richard.
Very good.
Me too.
Very good.
We were none different than Miss Mom. I know, I
Yes? Keep it pushing. Do y'all have that? Any questions on that?
No. Who's still jotting it down? I'm done.
What do I have here?
So I'm writing down these examples all.
That's called taking notes, sir. So then when we do the assignment, you can use right to your notes. So now I'm looking at what kind of equation is this first off?
Division.
It's a division problem. It's a division problem. So I got to do my scanning again, right? When I scan, first thing I run into is a fraction. So I know that this is division comes first, right? But what's before division?
Parentheses.
Okay, parentheses. And you got some multiplication. So before we divide this, we're going to first take care of the parentheses that we see here first, then the multiplication. So when you solve this, you should keep the 45, Jackie. If I go in my denominator, my parentheses is telling me to do what? Making this what?
1.
So now it's 8 times 1 minus 3. That was your parentheses you just knocked out. Any more parentheses?
Yes.
Well, it's that one that's left. But then next to that, do we have any exponents?
No.
Next to that, we don't have any exponents. We now can look to see if we can,
Multiply.
what can I multiply?
8 times 1.
And that's going to give me what?
8.
So now I'm at
3.
45, 8 minus 3. After you multiplied, is there anything else that I can do?
Yeah, divide.
Well, before I divide, I got to clean what up down low?
Oh, 8 minus 3.
And that becomes,
5.
so now this is 45
Divided by 5.
divided by 5, making your answer
9.
Did y'all do that? Right? Did y'all get that?
Can you understand? I know you got it.
First, you got to get 8 minus 3.
Stop.
Yo para mi cumpleaños voy a hacer una fiesta.
Ready?
Yeah.
What are we doing first?
You're gonna plus all the 2 and 3 and 4.
Alright, you want to clean that up first, or?
Yeah.
So, what are we going to clean up first?
The denominator.
And it becomes what?
9.
9.
So now it becomes 27 divided by 9 plus 3. What operation do we do next? Yes, ma'am. Okay. And it becomes what? Well, before that, what do you do? 27 and 9 make what?
3.
Mm-hmm. And then, like she said, very good. 3.
And then 3 plus 3 is 6.
Johnny.
I did got it.
I'm erasing.
No. If you're rich, I'm gonna bark. I'm done. I'm not.
Get it from her.
So
Hmm?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, we got a small situation here. Alright? Yeah, Elias, you say we starting off with what? So knock that down. This becomes 8 times 15 over 5 minus parentheses is going to make
14.
Remember, we going from left to right. So now what do I do next?
8.
Mm-mm. Yeah?
Is that an X?
That's times, yes.
15 divided by 5? 15 divided by 5?
Clean that up. There you go.
53. Now we multiply. 8 times 3 is 24.
Very good. All right, 2 more before I turn y'all loose. There's going to be 2 exercises that you're going to have to do when we get back from lunch. This is why I'm covering this with you now. And when I see y'all again on Thursday, we're going to do fractions. Can I erase?
No!
What? We will on Thursday.
Friday.
Thursday.
But it don't go tomorrow.
Right. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, then I'll see y'all on Thursday. Look, tomorrow's live.
Okay,
And I'll come tomorrow. That's what they do.
Am I logged in?
Come on, we're going to show you.
I'm gonna bark. I'm gonna
You need to start keeping up.